Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to another day of update. So it's a weekend, so I had time to shoot two videos. तो मैंने कल आई गेस एक वीडियो पोस्ट किया था. मैं ठीक लग रही हूँ क्या? मैंने ब्रश भी नहीं किया. Who cares? Who knows? Anyways, तो you know this touch wood. I don't know why I'm happy. Like I guess this is the most till now the fun weekend it has been. And I'll tell you what the fun was, okay? Yesterday was Saturday when I posted the video, I guess. Uh, I Friday night I took a melatonin. I slept for like 12 hours. I woke up. मैं कुछ 10 बजे तक बेड रॉट कर रही थी. फिर मैंने टिकट्स बुक किया because I'm going back home. So I actually booked the tickets now. uh I didn't know. I was like, actually, I did not want to go because the thing is ki, okay, going home is nice and all, okay, other than the fat shaming that my family does, which they don't understand. It's like it actually hurts me. But yeah, whatever. Sorry, मैं मेरा बेड साफ कर रही थी थोड़ा सा. हाँ, तो other than that, it's like very fun, it's nice and all. भाई मैं मोटी लग रही हूँ क्या? Anyways, yeah, doesn't matter. Yeah. So उसके अलावा तो it's like it's fun and all, okay, because it's like you're spending time with the family. It's like nice. You're spending after a very long time. It's like very fun and all. And I'm only going for like 2-3 days. So like when I got back home, so one of the reasons is like कि they body shame me, so I feel like bad and all that shit. उसके अलावा it's extremely comfy, okay, when you're with your family, and then when you have to come back, it feels so lonely. It feels so sad because you miss them so much. Because भाई तुम अपने लाइफ में लाइक ऑक्यूपाइड हो तो तुमको याद वगैरह नहीं आती, ठीक है, बट देन फिर तुम जाके आते हो ना तो इतनी ज्यादा आने लगती ना कि एवरी डे you just miss everything. You miss good food, you miss having someone to just right there hug you, you miss someone kissing you, miss like having that homely feeling. So you miss that a lot, like once you come back. तो like उसके बाद में उसको रिकवर करने के लिए साला कुछ 1-2 दिन लग जाते हैं एटलीस्ट, मे बी ऑलमोस्ट 3-4-5 दिन लग जाते हैं, ठीक है, टू रिकवर फ्रॉम दैट फीलिंग ऑफ होम सिकनेस, ओके. तो आई वाज लाइक व्हेन आई गॉट बैक आई वाज लाइक, ओ मुझे नहीं जाना घर. बट देन अगेन आई वाज लाइक मिसिंग माई होम एंड आई वाज लाइक ठीक है. सो माई ब्रदर इज गोइंग बैक टू ऑस्ट्रेलिया. So for that I am, भाई साहब क्या है ये डबल चिन क्यों आ रहा है मेरे को इतना. Anyways, yeah. So my brother is going back to Australia, and after like so I don't know when I'll meet him again. And I was like, it's fine. I'll forget. Like, pehle I was like, no, I'll not go. But then I'm like, okay. Like, one of the reasons I didn't want to go was like, yeah, oh, I'll be in like a really good phase where I'll be working out really well. So it'll like fuck up my, routine and all. But घंटा मैं workout तो छोड़, मैं अब तो at this point तो मैं ऐसा लग रहा है मैं healthy भी नहीं खा रही. But ठीक है. So yeah. So I was like, so I booked the tickets, okay. So yesterday, आधा दिन उसमें चला गया. Then I got up. I did laundry. I got up out of the bed because I have like my freelance guy was like, oh, let's have a meeting. So I was like, oh, okay, like, oh, मेरा 1 घंटे meeting है, तो let's just complete the work before the meeting because I know the meeting goes for a very long time. So I did laundry at the meeting, and after that I was chilling, dude. I was on my bed. I guess I slept off for like couple of hours in the afternoon. Then I went for a walk. Then I came back home and then my leg started paining. So I don't know when the fuck will my leg heal. Actually, I just don't get it. Okay, when the fuck will it heal? Because now I feel like my ankle looks weird also, So I'm like, maybe I should go to doctor once. Anyways, so yeah, and then like today, then I was like, I slept off. No, so yesterday I talked to VP. It was like very fun. I was giving her update. I talked to my brother. Then I talked to the guy. Uh, should I tell you the hot gossip about the guy? ऐसे सिर्फ 2-3 लोग देख रहे तो नजर तो नहीं लगनी चाहिए, बट ऐसे कुछ है भी नहीं नजर लगने लायक because like it's like we don't know yet, okay. It's like I don't know what's there going on, okay, till now. Like we still have to figure it out because it's only been like 2 weeks. We have been like just talking and all, so. And then he's not even here fucking for the weekend. Like, so like last weekend, I guess last weekend I was not, yeah, the last weekend I was not there. This weekend he's not here. Next weekend again I'm not gonna be here. So it's like the weekend is the only time when we can actually meet, okay? And weekends like this, because weekdays pe iska office timing is very off. One second, someone texted me. Yeah, office timings are very off, and like it doesn't match, okay. And then like even if like he gets free after 9, okay, and 9 is like very late, and and then I have to sleep early because I have to wake up early because I have to go to office, and I also have like freelance work. So somewhere you're like, it's like whatever, okay. So like they got a call. What the fuck? Why was smiling? Anyways, so I don't know. It's just like a very chill week. Like, so not too many things in my head. Like it's there, but I'm not like putting too much pressure on myself. भाई मैं बहुत ही मोटी शक्ल तो okay. By at this point, my double chin is visible with like me normally be sitting here, dude. Like, see, can you see? ये ऐसे तो दिखता है ठीक है, बट ऐसे भी दिख रहा है भाई साहब. Crazy dude. Anyways, नहीं मैं पतली हो जाऊंगी. Just like थोड़ा सा टाइम दो मेरे को थोड़ा. Yeah, tomorrow I'll probably go to gym. Anyways, so actually मैंने ये वीडियो को बनाया था for to tell something. हाँ, so there are like 2-3 new updates. ठीक है, पहला I'm thinking if so I have like 3-4 मेजर वर्क राइट नाउ. ठीक है, सो एक जो है वो काम करने बैठूंगी अभी, तो मैं 2-3 घंटे में हो जाना चाहिए. बट मैं काम करने बैठी तो बिकॉज कल रात जैसे मैं प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट करने बैठी तो फिर तो घंटा नहीं होने वाला. बट आई सेट ओके, अब मैं वीडियो के बाद मैं बैठ जाऊंगी. मैं मोटी हो गई हूँ. नहीं इट्स ओके नो इट्स फाइन. एनीवेज, सो वेयर वाज आई? तो ठीक है, उसके बाद में आई हैव टू फिगर आउट लाइक few things which I don't know, like I just don't know that to like figure out completely. तो उसके लिए मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लगेगा. तो I'm thinking the thing that like the predictable work that I can complete off like 2-3 hours, I should complete that off, and then I'll dye my hair because what else I can do. तो I'm thinking कि तो अगर वो ख़त्म होगा फिर मैं ऑर्डर करूँगी, बिकॉज इफ मैंने पहले ऑर्डर कर दिया फिर मैं काम करने बैठूँगी, वो करने बैठूँगी, तो I'll do that. I was thinking कि I'll do like hazelnut brown because सर red नहीं करना मेरे को, तो I'm like hazelnut brown. That is one thing. Second thing, so like I talked to him, okay, so like I was a little upset like I wanted to celebrate Valentine's, okay, like it's not like we're dating or anything, but we like still talking to each other, like we are seeing each other or whatever. So the like we just talk for like, yesterday we talked for like 8 minutes and today we talked for like 11 minutes. That's it, like that's all, okay. But yeah, so I was like telling him ki I have not celebrated Valentine's Day and all that. Even he was like, oh, even I have not celebrated Valentine's Day. And he was telling me he saw his best friend her best friend you know, photos and all where it's like he has a best friend, her name I can't say, whatever, but yeah, so uski boyfriend ne uske liye ekdam, you know, some like decorate वगैरह किया with like, you know, flowers and like balloons and all that shit. And I was like so he was like कि मेरी गान चल रही है, and I was like oh, like I have not like come across like a lot of guys that guys actually like those things, or like I don't know, maybe they do like it, but I don't know. It was like I found it very cute that like he was jealous that like people are celebrating Valentine's Day and he was not. I don't know. I'm just stupid, okay. So I was like, oh, so like I felt like oh, okay, like oh, like even he wanted to like something like, but since he had to go, so he. It's not like even he was here, I don't think we would have celebrated in that way as such, because we're not that close yet. Like we're like just getting to know each other kind of thing. But yeah, so I was thinking, is it like, will it be like too much? But if I like decorate a little in my room with like, so ऐसे तो मैंने पूरा whole ass plan बनाया, ठीक है. तो कल रात को मैं ये बकवास टाइम पास करी थी जिंदगी में, तो कि so my I'll show you guys my room, okay. Can I show you? ऐसे दिखा सकती हूँ मैं. It's like okay, I can't show you guys my room. It's too difficult because मेरे को front camera से दिखाना पड़ेगा. Anyways, तो I was thinking, my God, God's best. Yeah, so I was thinking it's like I was like maybe I'll decorate my room a little. So like so Monday he'll come back, okay. So he's like I'll like come over like and meet you. Because मेरा तो ऑफिस रहेगा, तो ऑफिस के बाद में आना होगा, तो he's like it's okay, I'll come over and meet you करके. तो मैंने बोला ठीक है. तो I'm like thinking, what if I like I decorate a little? So I was like thinking maybe I like put some balloons. I have like this you know, table thingy like on the bed you can put, right, like a small desk thingy. So I'll put that and like a couple of candles and like rose petals a little. मैं सच बता दूं क्या? ठीक है, सच ही बताती हूँ क्यों झूठ क्यों, क्या ही हो रहा है. So I was thinking कि so I'll buy a blanket because this is like not that good. Okay, it's like pink, but it's like so it's like I like found this like very cute it's like baby pink beige baby pink, like it's like a print in it. It's like not plain. But okay, I'll show you what I want to do, okay? But I feel like it's like too much. Is it like too much for a person to do? Like, it's not like I want to do it for him. It's more like even I've never celebrated Valentine's Day ever, okay? So it's like since no one is doing it for me, like let me just do it for myself kind of thingy. Does it make sense? Okay, let me show. Bhai saab. This is like something like, so can you see this? Yeah, so I'll not say I love you and all that shit, like it's not like that. Like I have like the table, right? I don't have like that exact table, like something similar to that table I have, okay? So I was thinking like I'll order like candles, okay? I'll put the candles. I'll of course have like rose petals. I'll not write I love you, but I'll like put like so thoda sa like decorate karungi. And then I'll like, you know how they have stuck like balloons here, you know, like, you know. So I was thinking I'll put like balloons like that there. And yeah, and like I was thinking कि cake wake order करते, तो like I was like let's not do cake because हम सिर्फ दो लोग हैं, तो like it'll get waste and all. So I was like thinking maybe I'll go to Theobroma and ask them to, like, I don't like cake as such, okay? Like I like cake, but like मुझे like a heart shape चाहिए. So I was thinking maybe I can ask them to you know, make a heart shaped brownie, like, you know, like from like, a lot of brownies उसको heart shape बनाते हैं, उसमें हम सब white icing के Valentine's लिखे. I don't know, I'm so creative I am, I know, right? मैं सोच रही थी, ठीक है. And so I thought like I'll bring him beer and all because he likes beer, but then I was like, no, I don't support him drinking, so I don't want to do that. So I'll show you guys like what I मैंने Zepto में क्या ऐसा like रखा है in the cart. Spending a lot of money I am for this guy, huh? कटेगा ना तो मेरा गंदा कटने वाला है. Okay, so for now I have ordered, I was thinking of ordering this blanket because it's like pretty and all, okay, and this candle, okay. So I was like, so this like cute and all, okay. Then I wanted like the balloons, heart balloons, but then it was like out of stock on Zepto because apparently like everyone was buying this thing. But yeah, so I was like thinking like that, and then like, so I was thinking कि तो मैं टेबल को white color के चार्ट पेपर से like cover करूँगी, so I can have like rose petals on it, and मैं rose petals डालूँ, फिर मैं बीच में like cake वगैरह डालूँगी, मैं candle लूँगी, and candle, cake, balloons, rose petals, maybe flower also there itself. I'm not buying gift and all, okay? That is too much, okay? This is also already too much. That'll be more too much. Yeah, I was thinking that. I was thinking Monday after office I'll do all this shit. But then I was thinking like yesterday I was like, oh, I'll do it. But then like I was contemplating, should I do it? It's like, isn't it too much? Like, So oh, by the way, I'll show you the pictures of me in Kerala. I was looking very pretty, right? Very pretty. Look at this. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at this. Other than I've become fat, I'm still very pretty, okay? I just need to lose some weight. Anyways, yeah. So I was thinking that, but we'll see. I don't know. Oh, by the way, I'll be taking my first flight this year when I'll be coming back from Hyderabad. So I'm excited about that. It's my first flight this year. I have traveled a lot, but it's not on flight, like fucking buses. So, but yeah, so if I do like hair color thingy, I'll show you like update. Maybe I'll record a video of me doing hair color only. Yeah, but I have to complete the work before that. Like, let's just complete this fucking thing, and then I can enjoy a little, and then I can get back to work in the evening and night. Oh yeah, I thought like going to meet my friend, but then I like being home too much. I'm thinking of like, okay, so I'll also show you the like thing that I'm planning to learn. Okay, so there's a song, okay. So bhai, so I have this thing where I associate things, associate like things or like something with the song, or like I associate people with things. The things could be regardless of place, time, not time, but like place, some song, or some core memory, or like some stupid, like literally anything it could be, like literally anything, okay, like it could be like food also, like anything, okay. So especially songs that like it goes along, okay, a lot. So there's a song. So like that when day I was going to Kerala, he was the one who dropped me to the bus stop, right? So he showed me. So we were like doing this key. He put one earphone and I put one earphone, and like we were like going. Okay, he was like riding the bike and I was sitting behind. He has this, I don't know, like choot. It's just a good bike, but it's like chutiya for me because dude, उसका seat ऐसे है भाई, ऐसे है. मतलब dude, it's not comfortable to sit in that stupid seat, and I just feel like I'm gonna fall. But yeah. Okay, so this is the song, you know. You know the song. So I was thinking like I wanna like learn dance on the song. Because it's the song is so fun for me now. It's like I love this song now. So I was like, hey. But yeah, after I complete my work, then I color cut my hair, and then maybe I should order it so it'll give me motivation to complete my work, and then I'll do it. What do you think? Yeah, let's do that. But yeah, I'll see if I'll do the decoration or not because it is a little too much, a little too much, a little too much. It is, not gonna lie. But we are a little too much. What if we think, oh my god, this girl is fucking crazy shit, dude, like something like that, and then like, oh my god. Anyways, so I'm thinking of ordering hazelnut brown. It's like light brown kind of thingy. I think it'll look good on me, hopefully. एक तो लाइक थोड़े से डार्क शेड वाले लोग ने कुछ कभी कलर ही नहीं डाला है ये. But I think it'll look good. Like I'm just gonna take the bet. Okay. So it's like this. Okay, hazelnut brown is like not. It's like there's like lovers latte also. That is like more lighter brown. Okay, there's like cinnamon brown. Cinnamon brown is also nice, but it's like a little goldenish. I'll go with hazelnut brown. It's fine. Like yeah. Let's order. I'll order right away. पैसे तो ऐसे खर्च करते जैसे तो मैं बानी की बेटी हूँ भिंचोद. फिर कल रात को तो मुझे हिट हो रहा था कि भाई मैं बहुत ज़्यादा पैसे खर्च करी, तो फिर मैंने सब. तो आई वाज, यू नो व्हाट आई वाज सर्चिंग फॉर कि oh hi perplexity, do you have any option where I can like put my money and lock it, and then in order for me to use that I have to answer like 20-30 questions so that I can use it, and then only then after that I can use it. I was like literally asking this, but then they only gave me option of FD. अबे चूती FD ऐसे ही तोड़ सकते हैं भाई within like. but ठीक है. ओके मैंने ऑर्डर कर दिया. लेट्स सी. ओके अभी के लिए इतना ही. आई गिव एन अपडेट. You know, he was asking कि why don't you want to go out. What should I tell him, dude? How do I tell him कि dude social see. तो अब कैसा हो गया ना कि अभी मेरा ह्यूमन कॉन्टैक्ट एंड सोशल एनर्जी वाला कॉन्सेप्ट इज गेटिंग फिल्ड बाय हिम ना, फुलफिल्ड बाय हिम. तो आई डोंट फील लाइक, oh my god my nails look so stupid, but I don't have the necessity and need to go out like thing, you know. अब बता दे, let's be practical. You go out, what do? You eat outside, dude. If एक तो तुम लाइक मुझे समझ आता है कि you know the भाषा ना कॉन्सेप्ट इज लाइक आई फील लॉजिकल ना, ठीक है. You go out, you spend money, you eat unhealthy food, you gain weight, and nothing comes out good out of it. Like, yeah, you have fun and all, but then, yeah, but like, for me, the logic is that now, कि मैं बाहर जाऊँगी, मैं खसे पैसे खर्च करूँ, मैं गंदा खाना करूँ, मैं मोटी बनवा ली, तो उससे बेटर मैं नहीं जाऊँ रहा हूँ. सोर्स एनर्जी भी ड्रेन हो जाती है. Like for now, today my best friend is celebrating her Valentine, so I can't go out with her. And then my other friend is there. I can go to her place, but if I complete my work, then I'll go. Okay. Bye for now. I'll upload this video. And bye. I think I'll probably shoot another video of me coloring my hair. But I'll not post it today. I'll post it tomorrow because tomorrow most probably I'll not record a video if I'm doing that Valentine's thingy. Okay. Okay, bye.